Hi everybody, welcome to the second video in our Planet Zoo series. So last time we actually got our first timber wolves. And yeah, so let's continue with those adventures. So actually, oh great, we got conservation credits. That's great. Actually, there was one person who left actually a name suggestion for our franchise. So thank you to Kit Kat, who also suggested a name for the wolves to be Root. So definitely we'll do that. So instead of what I have now, which is Zootopia Paws Rehab, we are going to call the franchise Nature Kingdom. So thank you so much, Nature Wolf, or sorry, not Nature Wolf, Kit Kat. And actually Kit Kat happens to be one of my friends. Go check his channel out. It's Kit with a K and Cat with a C. So go check him out. He does Minecraft videos. And yeah, and actually I came up with a name for the nature reserve since no one really left like zoo comment names. And it's going to be the mountain top. Oh, never mind. Let's call it the Can we call it valley? Okay, how about the mountain valley? Nope. Okay, how about the mountain reserve? I like that. Okay, so we have now the mountain reserve where we pretty much kind of like a national park, but alright, so we now have Nature Kingdom as our franchise, and our zoo is called the Mountain Reserve. So let's get in. Hopefully it won't take too long to load. If it does, I'm really sorry, guys. Also remember that if you guys leave your comments, the random comment picker could possibly pick you, and you could be a staff member in our zoo, you could be an animal. So like Kit Kat, my friend did, he actually left a name suggestion for the wolves, and so now we're gonna name one of the wolves what he said. But alright, here we are, and I think this is actually, hold on, please hold. Yeah, so this is who was formerly named Oliver, but actually thanks to Kit Kat we're gonna name him Root. So we have Root and Zariel right now, but I think I'm actually going to name Zariel, maybe I'll name her Petal. I like Root and Petal. Alright, so here we are, back in our zoo. It's very small, we just have the wolves. And I actually paused it so that they don't die. How you doing, Root? Let's check their space. Hold on. I believe it's trained, yeah. Okay, so good. They have plenty of space. They don't like all the long grass, but let's see. Guests are happy. Oh, actually, we have more money than I thought. Okay, so we're not actually that low on money, but I would rather get the guests situated. Let me just find donation boxes really quickly. No, it's not in here. I think it's in facilities, actually. No, it's not a utility. It is a, sorry guys, this is taking me so long to find. Are you in here? I think it's actually classified as a guest facility. Aha! Finally, after like the last thing that I looked at. Alright, so let's put a couple donation boxes. This will help us a lot because you know, guests will donate now. So if we can make them happy, we'll be getting a lot of money. And today I was actually thinking, well, so yesterday I was actually saying about or not really yesterday, last video I was actually saying how like I have every expansion pack except for the Arctic Wolves. So, I got ahead of myself there. Except for the newest one, which just came out like, you know, a little more than a week ago. So, I don't have I think it's the East Asia pack. I don't have that one. But I have everyone except for that. So, that means that there's another wolf, and those actually happen to be Arctic wolves, and of course we have to get them. I mean, we're nature wolf here. Oh, sorry, they're at the top. There we go. And sometimes we just have to reload it because sometimes the game is like, whoa. Yes, we'll buy you, female. There's only one female, but alright, now let's actually see which one of these males has the best fertility. Oh, yes, thank you. Wait, what's bad? Okay, they just can't be released to the wild. It's okay. Okay, nice. So, now we have some Arctic wolves, and let's make our current wolves happy. So, let's see, habitat. Let's see, let me filter it so that it is timber wolf. And then, yeah, so today we're gonna try to get the Arctic wolves in. So that, you know, we have both our wolves. And actually, I still have the staff village over here. But actually, I think, like, I know I'm getting a little ahead of myself here, thinking about the future and stuff, but thinking about, like, what we'll do after this when we're still focused on, like, keeping our animals alive. Okay, actually, they're fine with the temperature. Let's please turn off heat map. Okay, there we go. Let's give them a shelter. I think they can fit in that. Oh yeah, they'll be fine. Okay, let's actually put it, I feel like I want to give them a bigger one. I'm not sure that one's easy. Okay, you know what, that's good. It'll kind of be at the back, and let's see. Oh yeah. That should be big enough to cover only 2 wolves, and we'll give them a bigger habitat in the future. So yeah, but right now we're just gonna, well, not bigger, but I mean like better with like mountains and stuff. I'm being very specific here, and things like that. So let's see. Yeah, sweet. We actually do have some enrichment items for them, so let's get those in. Where's their food enrichment? Alright, they actually have plenty of food enrichment. Let's just add that. Their toys, let's give them a few scent markers, chew toy maybe, and they have a block of, there's a sprinkler? Oh my gosh, I don't know. I want to see them play with a gift box. Yes, please. Alright, so now that we have that, you should be happy. Yay, they're so happy. And I actually, okay, so we have Oh, those are animals. They're happy though. Wait, sorry, staff. So we have this guy to transfer animals. They can take shifts. And we actually need a, yes, okay, I'm aware, I'm low on cash. Okay, and we're gonna have a vet, and actually, since Kit Kat was the only one to leave a comment, so far, we're actually, okay, hopefully our thing doesn't go down too much. We're going to, Kit Kat is going to be, wait, I think where are you? Miss Keeper? I think she's a miss. Okay, yeah, so then, the vet that we just added in is going to be named, Kit Kat. So this is going to be, let's see. How about the, wolf caretaker? Because he's kind of a wolf caretaker. So wolf caretaker Kit Kat. And, yeah, so hello, wolf caretaker Kit Kat. And yeah, so, how are we doing on money? That's not money, thank you. Okay. So we're not doing, I think we just spent a lot. Yeah, well, construction costs were a lot. Okay, so hopefully we'll start getting some more money. Are you donating? Let's see. Yeah, I think they're, wait, are they donating? No, so no one's donated yet. Or at least not that I can see. Aha, over here they have. Okay, so $120, 60. No one's donated here. No one's donated here. Okay, and actually, what are guests thinking about the habitat? Okay, so I guess they can't see the timber wolf very well. I can see it. What do you mean? I can see them. They're right there. Plus, I'm not even at your eye level. Look, see? This is your eye level. You can see them. Wait, where actually is... Oh, they played with it. I think this is... Yeah, this is Petal. Alright, nice. So... once we're able to get... Am I still low on cash? Yeah. Once we're able to get more money, then we're going to build a an Arctic wolf exhibit. So I think actually while we're waiting for more money, oh, that's not how we edit. Let's edit the terrain. Ooh, can you not get in there? Wait, yeah, you can get in there. That's plenty of shelter. Okay, we'll have to edit the shelter, but let's go to terrain. Oh yeah, and they actually added in water as its own selectable with the new update. So that's really nice. Okay, so what do they want? They want soil, rock. Okay. Let's get some... Whoa, I have this really big, but actually that's fine. Oh no, it's cloudy. Okay, that's almost all the soil that they want, and... I want some smooth rock. Let's get some... Dang, we almost got all the... Ooh, let's switch back to soil. Maybe we're almost to where they can tolerate the long grass. Where is it? Is it like right around the corners? Let's give them actually some short grass. Okay, we're so close. Ah! We need like 1 more %. Come on. Alright, let's get some more rock. Where? Oh, great. Now it's raining. Are you over here? Ah! We're so close. Yes! Yes! Now they're so happy! Are you happy? Yeah, their welfare is almost at full. What's that weird sound? Oh, is that thunder? Oh, I think that's the thunder. Oh my gosh. High amounts of glitter. Oh no. Where? Okay, good. There's none near the habitat, but there is some there. And actually, look guys, we have 2,000 more than we did before. So that's actually really good. But I think we can afford like a couple trash cans. And let's actually get I like this new world bin, so let's actually have them let's have them maybe one here. Oh, definitely over here. Why is no one vending? Okay. So our vendors seem to be pretty stressed. And let's put that there. I might be putting too many also. Okay, good. I think they're good over there. And, yeah. Uh-oh. Why are you running? Are you okay? Nice. Oh, okay. I think they're just unhappy that they don't have an umbrella. You can buy umbrellas. That's why I made them. Why is no one vending here? Yes, we're getting money. You're on a break, caretaker. 2 of you are resting. Alrighty. I don't want to add another one in, but I think your zoo has new... Uh-oh. What crime just happened? What just happened? Who just did something bad? Who did bad? Did someone just, like, run away? Uh-oh. This isn't good. Whoever's running is bad. Yeah, but, like... Let's see. But I don't need a security guard. It's snowing! Guys, it's really snowing! You guys are getting snow for the first time. Guys, we might be getting wolf babies. Oh my gosh. Are you pregnant? Petal, are you pregnant? Are you pregnant? Oh, okay, she's pooping. Pearl? Ah, dang. So I don't think... Wow, the whole habitat's filled with snow now. This is so beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh. And actually, really quickly, we are going to we're going to turn it to day so that we can see better. Because, ah, dang. Wait, so Petal, are you not expecting? Ah, dang. It's okay. But that's good. That means she's happy. So, let's see. How much money do we have? Okay, nice. So we're actually getting more money. And are guests happy? Like to habitat, commuting. Yeah, I'm sorry, vendors. You guys are really busy. Oh, Kit Kat, you can actually research the Timberwolves. Just the last little bit. We have no mechanics. Oh, we have no mechanics? We need to fix that? Uh-oh, now all our vendors are. I know, everyone, I'm sorry. But I don't want to have a power sword. You guys are cold, aren't you? Oh, no, they're not cold. Okay. Well, if no one's cold, then it's okay. Wait, you guys are cold. Yeah, me too, lady. I hope the snow doesn't last too long. Okay, but, we're actually, wow, this is really beautiful. Not the ugly things, but look at them. Ah, I was so hoping we'd get some wolf puppies in here next time, though. They're just really pretty in the snow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Who just howled? Oh my gosh, it was probably Petal because... Oh, they really do love each other. Look how happy they are. Oh, they're playing together. This is so cute. Alright. Well, oh, where are you going? Okay. Wow, they're so pretty. Alright, so next time, hopefully we'll have a bit more money. Wait, the snow's going bye-bye? The snow just disappeared. So hopefully next time, we'll actually be able to add in our Arctic wolves. What are you doing, Petal? That was so cute. Hopefully next time we'll be able to add in our Arctic wolves, so that, you know, we can have more wolves, because wolves are just amazing. Are you gonna lay down? You're both gonna lay down. You're getting out of the rain. This is so cute. Yeah, so hopefully next time we'll have Arctic wolves, and maybe we'll even have some wolf puppies. So please like and subscribe if you can, and join us in the next step of our adventure. That was so cute! Oh my god! As we continue with Planet Zoo, Nature Wolf out.